Hello. Right, today we've got another air fryer video. So what I'm going to do today is these new potatoes. It's just a standard tin, as do these ones, of new potatoes. I'm going to empty them out. They're in water, so I'm going to drain them out, put a few in a bowl with a bit of oil, salt and pepper, maybe a bit of the garlic, and see how we get on. Chuck them in the air fryer, put them in roast for about 10 minutes and see what they look like. Okay, I've emptied those out, and there was actually quite a few, so what I've done, I've halved them so they'll do another meal. So as I say, this is purely going to be an accompaniment because I'm going to do a bit of fish in the air fryer. I thought I'd just chuck these around the fish and just see what they look like, and well, just give it a go really. So I'll put these in a bit of oil now, and then I'll get the fish up and running, and we'll chuck these in the air fryer with it. Okay, right, all I've put on there is just half a dessert spoonful of oil, just ordinary vegetable oil. Then I put a bit of salt, just some coarse black pepper, and just a sprinkling of garlic, just the garlic granules, and give this a bit of a mix up. Get everything nice and coated, and that is it. And then we'll get these chucked in the air fryer. Okay, right, so we're getting ready for the air fryer. So there's our potatoes all ready, and we've got these breaded cod fillets we're going to go with them. Now, if you've not tried these are great. I mean, tried all different ones like battered cod and cod in breadcrumbs, but these are very good. The cod in them is really nice and thick, so if you haven't yet, give them a try. Right, so I'm going to get these into the air fryer, try them off for about 10 minutes and see how we get on. Okay, so there's our tinned new potatoes and our cod in breadcrumbs. Okay, I'm going to go for, tell you what, I'm going to go for air fry on these. I know I said I was going to roast the potatoes because I've got the fish in there. So 200, I'm going to keep it on that, I think. Give it a nice bit of heat and take it down to 10 minutes. Okay. See you in 10. See what we've got. Oh yeah, they're looking good. Maybe another 5 minutes or so. And get them served up. So there we go, all done, all nicely cooked. So a bit of fish in breadcrumbs and some tinned new potatoes, air fried. And that's 15 minutes, no preheating. Nice little meal with a side dish, maybe some salad or something. Lovely. Enjoy.